what most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both. Never gonna lose cause I've been on the road. Come to your state and I'm killing the show.
Alright guys, my day has just kind of turned into a fucking nightmare. It is now 1 o'clock and I haven't done a goddamn thing. Plan was to go to BMV, get plates for this, and take it to the shop and figure out what's wrong with the front end. I got so much to do. I'm gonna go work on the Vr4. We're gonna go for a ride. I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, this part of the video, vlog, whatever the fuck you feel like calling it, should have been me pulling up to the shop. I was literally there. I was pulling in the driveway. I left all the keys for the shop and everything at my house. I just have another one of them days. With editing and everything, you guys won't see all the bullshit, but I just figured I'd let you know that this day that was all planned and exciting has kind of turned into 100% bullshit. My days go so much better not planned. If I just wake up and go do whatever the fuck I want to do, it goes smooth. I sit here and plan on going and getting plates, going and fish, putting the Vr4 back together, and that's all just went down the fucking drain. So I don't know. We'll see how far we get with the Vr4. I'm on my way there again. Alright, here's the rear subframe. I was just gonna put it back in the car with all new bushings and shit, but I just can't do it. My buddy wants to do it too. He tried to talk me into it. I'm gonna at least pressure wash it, sand it up, paint it at least clean it up. So that's what I'm doing. I'm gonna try to put it on the back of this four-wheeler. See if I can do it while I'm recording. Probably not. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second once I'm washing it up. Alright, starting to get the shop cleaned up. Got a pile of trash that we need to burn over there. Got all this shit picked up. Just trying to get organized. Waiting for the subframe to dry. Gonna just paint it. You guys can talk shit in the comments. It's gotta come back out. I'm just trying to get it to roll right now, so I can put the lift right here. This is where we decided to put the lift, because the original plan was to put the lift like right here when you pulled in this big door. But my buddy was all like, you might as well put it here to pull in the small door, and then I could have 6 cars fit over here, 7 cars, maybe even 8 cars if I could put a car behind the lift. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get this car to roll over there, hopefully. If not, I'm just gonna go get like those little moving things like this right here. Let's go pick up more of these, I guess. Put the frame on, just drop the car on that if we can't get it back together in a few hours. I don't know, there's still a bunch of stuff to make this garage look sweet. Leave in the comments what you guys think I should do. I really don't want to spend the money on drywall, because drywall is expensive and it's just gonna get fucking dirty. I think I'm just gonna plywood it all. I might even just plastic it all. Like my buddy said, just put white plastic down over that. I don't know, I just wanted it to look nice. I gotta get rid of all that shit up there. The guy before me just left it all. Is this some convertible? It's a LeBaron. So that's what we're doing. Just want this car to be running. Honestly, now I'm so in love with the FD that, I mean, I still want this car to run. It's still one of my favorite cars. Definitely in my top 10. It's just dropped down a couple because of the FD. I'm gonna get back to work. I'll bring you guys back once the subframe's painted. Alright guys, Don't look too close. Fuck. We just threw some paint on there. Oh, I don't know, even know why. We kind of just wasted paint. We're just putting this in to make the car a roller. And for some reason, I just couldn't bring myself to put it in there. Not painted. I mean, you look real close, you can see it's all still pitted. I promise, we're coming back to this. We got something real exciting that came up that we think we can do fast if we get the lift. So we're gonna put this subframe in the Vr4, but we're gonna come back to the rear end. Everything's on hold for the rear lower control arms, rear upper control arms, and I need bushings for the trailing arm. So, I mean, I'm kind of stuck in a fucking position where I can't really do anything. This subframe looks like fucking shit. I probably won't even put this in. I'm pretty upset with it. If you guys remember a while back, actually, if you haven't seen it, you can even just go through my videos. You know, just click on videos and scroll down until you see a nice, shiny silver and blue subframe. It's front and rear subframe for a Vr4. I may just buy that and then put the bushings that I just put in the front into that one. I don't know. We need to make it a roller because the lift's coming and this car is right in the fucking way. So we gotta get wheels on it. We just gotta roll it. And we're gonna come right back to it, I promise. I know a lot of you guys only subscribed and watch my channel for the Vr4. I got a lot of you guys that are Vr4 fans, 3000 GT fans, whatever you want to call it. Don't leave, I promise. We're coming right back to it. As we get parts, I'm just really on hold with all the bushings for the rear. And control arms. I don't have. I got everything, as you can see. I got the upper control arms that are over there, but they're fucked. The ball joints and shit that are in them are fucked, and you can't. I don't know why I'm stuttering today, Junior, but I'm on hold. I just can't get them. I've been ordering them. One place would tell me a month. Other place would tell me 2 to 3 months. I don't know. Looks like shit. Unless we can get this in real quick. What do you think, Jason? You can get this in? Yeah. Get it to roll tonight? So we're gonna get this in and get it to roll tonight. You'll see that in the next clip probably. Alright guys. I'm like horrible still at this vlogging thing. Forgot to film. Got the car moved. It's the first time it's moved in 6 months. Got that piece cut out. I think I'm gonna take this whole workbench out, like from here. From here, like right where this post is on the left side of it, up. And then I can like put my toolbox and stuff over there. Cause I plan on having the lift right here. Right to like the edge of that light, the left side of the light. So I got room back there for like another car. And I should have plenty of room here to pull it in or back it in to work on stuff. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up, picking up all this trash, moving stuff around. And I'll bring you guys back as soon as the lift gets here. Alright guys, there it is.
You're gonna need to come over still a couple inches. You're still gonna need to come over towards him a couple inches.
I'm fucking stoked, you guys. Alright, I'll bring you back once it's up.
Alright.
Guys, I'm like just pacing back and forth. I'm so excited about this lift. This thing is the shit. Damn, Alright, I gotta roll the windows up on the Mercedes because it's about to rain. Look how big this is. There it is, guys. It's moving. I'm so fucking excited. Excited. I got the electrician coming in, I don't know, half hour. Alright, we're putting the first car on the lift. I'm gonna pull it in right now. Alright, it's the first time we're taking the car up. It's not like it's my third take or anything, so.